Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Raider. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, chances are your MSI Raider has a shattered screen. This can happen due to accidental drops or impacts, and it can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. A cracked screen can affect your ability to use the device effectively, and ignoring it may eventually lead to display issues or even complete failure of the screen. Now let's get started on the repair. For this task, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any small components. First, ensure your MSI Raider is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen slightly from one corner. This creates a gap where you can insert the plastic opening tool. Carefully slide the tool along the edge to release the clip securing the screen. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Once the screen is free, you will need to locate the LCD connector. It's typically secured with screws, so use your precision screwdriver to remove these. Be cautious as you disconnect the cable, it can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the old LCD, you can now place the new one into position. Align the connector carefully, ensuring it fits snugly without forcing it. Replace the screws to secure the connector in place. Now, gently press the screen back into the casing, ensuring all clips are engaged. Once you're satisfied that everything is in place, power on the device to test the new screen. Check for any dead pixels or display issues before sealing everything up. If everything looks good, you can close the device securely by pressing down around the edges. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider using a protective case or screen protector to absorb shocks in the future. Additionally, always handle your laptop with care, especially in environments where it may be at risk of falling. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.